Good morning, my dear students. How's everything? I hope everything is fine. I really miss you so much. Hope we can meet soon, inshallah. Now let's continue what we have covered last week about the law of integers. Let's complete and complete our exercise. Here the question is, you remember the laws of exponents. In multiplying, having the same power, we just add the powers. Dividing with the same base, we have to subtract the powers. Multiplying power over another power, we multiply these two powers together. And if any base, any number to the power of 0, it's gonna be equals to 1. Any negative power, we have to put it in the denominator. We have to put the reciprocal of this power. We cannot leave any negative power. You remember all these rules or these laws. Let's complete our exercises. Here the question is 3k power 4 all to the power of 4. Here it's a power over a power. As we said, 3, as long as there is no power here, it means it's to the power of 1. So I will just multiply this power by the 4, by 4. Okay, so as if I'm saying 3 to the power of 4, k to the power of, I multiply the powers together. As long as I have a power over another power, so I just multiply the powers together. So here there is no power, so it goes without saying that it's to the power of 1. So here 1 times 4 equals to 4, so the answer will be 3 to the power of 4, k to the power of 16. Yes, 4 times 4 equals to 16. So the answer will be 3 power 4, k to the power of 16. What about number 16 here? 4xy all to the power of negative 1, as if I'm saying 4 to the power of 1, x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1, all to the power of negative 1. So I said before, I cannot leave a negative power. I have to put these in the reciprocal. I have to write its reciprocal, or I have to write them in the denominator. So as if I'm saying 1 over 4xy, because I will put here it's 1, 4 power of 1, x power of 1, y power of 1. Then I multiply 1 times negative 1, it gives me 4 power negative 1. X 1 times negative 1, it means x power negative 1, and y power negative 1. Yani this means 4 negative 1, x negative 1, y negative 1. I cannot leave it like this. I cannot leave a negative power. So what should I do? I will write 1 over 4xy, because as we said, I cannot leave a negative power. So I will put all in the denominator. As long as I don't have anything in the numerator, so I will put 1 over 4xy. What about number 17? 2 power 1 b4 all to the power of negative 1. As if I'm saying 2 power 1 times negative 1, it means 2 power negative 1. b 4 times negative 1, it means negative 4. So the answer will be, it should be 2 power negative 1, 4 power negative 4, right? But I cannot leave it like this. As I say, as long as I have a negative power, I cannot leave it like this. I have to write the reciprocal, or I have to write this negative power in the denominator. I don't have anything to be written in the numerator, so I will put 1 over 2 1 b4, or 2 nothing b4, right? Okay, let's go to number 18. X power 2 y power negative 1 all to the power of 2. Here I will multiply the powers together. X 2 times 2 equals 4, so it will be, the answer is x power 4. What about y? Y negative 1 times 2 equals negative 2. So the answer should be x power 4 y power negative 2. But as we agree, I cannot leave a negative power, so the answer should be x power 4 over, because I have to write the reciprocal of the negative power, I have to write its reciprocal. So it should be written as x to the power of 4 y to the power of 2. So I write its reciprocal with a positive power, right? So here x power 2 times 2 is x power 4, y negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. So the answer should be x power 4 y power negative 2, but I cannot leave a negative power, so I will just do this as follows: x power 4 over y power of 2, positive 2, because I put it in, I write the reciprocal, so I will put it as a positive power. Right, let's go for this example, number 19. 2, it means 2 power 1, x power 4, y power negative 3, all to the power of negative 1. So as if I'm saying 1 to the power of negative 1, 1 times negative 1, it means 2 to the power of negative 1. 2 power of negative 1, x 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, because positive times negative gives me negative. Type here y negative 3 times negative 1, negative times negative gives me positive. So it means 2 power negative 1, x power negative 4, y power positive 3, because negative times negative gives me positive. So here the answer should be 2 power negative 1, x power negative 4, y power 3. Right? Okay, but as I said before, I cannot leave a negative power just like this. So I have to put it in its right form. Y power of 3 is the only positive power I have, so I will put it in the numerator. I will write y power 3 over 2 power 1 x power 4, because these two numbers, they have 2 and x, they have a negative power, so I cannot leave the negative power as it is. I have to put it or write its reciprocal. So here I have y is the only positive number, so I will leave it as it is, y power of 3 over 2x power of 4. Okay, let's move to number 20. 3m all power negative 2. I will just distribute the negative 2 over the bracket, as if I'm saying 3 to the power of 1, m to the power of 1, all to the power of negative 2. As if I'm saying 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, so the answer will be 3 power negative 2, m also power negative 2. But I cannot leave the negative power, I have to write its reciprocal. So I will write it as 1 over 3 power 2, m power 2. 3 power 2, m power 2. Okay, let's finish our session for today and continue inshallah tomorrow. If you have any question, please feel free to email me. You have my email address. You can just email me and send any question you're asking about. I will also send you the PDF of this lesson in order to go through it once again. And inshallah we're gonna meet together tomorrow inshallah. Have a good day and take care of yourself, and see you tomorrow inshallah.